I am sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner. I am waiting at the counter for the man to pour the coffee, and he fills it only halfway. And before I even argue, he is looking out the window at somebody coming in.
So this is Boogie Train Diner. It's a 32 count, 4 wall improver level dance, 1 tag in it, we'll tell you about that one shortly, choreographed by myself and Michelle Risley. Here's a breakdown of the dance. Weight is going to be on your left foot to start. Bringing your right foot, step forward on 1. Tap your left toe behind on 2. Then step back onto your left for 3. Hitching your right knee up on 4. You are then going to turn a quarter to your right as you sidestep onto your right foot for 5. And just point your left toe to the left side, count 6. We're going to make a half turn. To do this, on count 7, step forward onto that left foot, keeping the weight on that left foot, turn a further quarter to your left as you do a low kick out to the right side with your right foot. That's the first 8 counts. Let's just do it. Stepping forward, 1, tap, 2, 3, hitch 4, 5.6, 7, kick 8. There is a little bit of styling if you want to. You can add in some finger clicks on those. So we're going to step 1, tap, 2, 3, hitch 4. As you turn on this one, 5, you can do a little low kick down and a look towards the back of the hall with your head. Then come back onto the left and finish your kick with clicking your fingers out to the side. Your second group of 8, crossover on 1, side step onto the left 2, behind side cross 3 and 4, shuffle to the left side 5 and 6, and bringing it back to the front wall with a sailor quarter turn 7 and 8. Weight is on that right foot. Moving on, your third group of 8, cross your left foot over on 1, point your right toe to the side on 2. You are then going to do a right Samba step for 3 and 4. Weight still on that right foot. Cross the left foot over again on 5, pull to the side on 6. We're going to do that Samba step again, but as you do it this time, you're going to turn a quarter to your right. So you've got your Samba quarter turn. And a little helpful hint for you there, if you bring that right foot as far side as you can, it's going to help out for the next 8 counts, which is 3 shuffles back to back. We're going to cross the left foot over and do a cross shuffle. We're going to turn a quarter to the left as we shuffle back on the right, right shuffle. We're going to turn a further quarter to the left as you shuffle down your side wall, left shuffle, and then we finish the dance with a right kickball change. Kickball change. Weights on the left, and we're ready to start again. I'm going to take from the top one more time with the numbers all the way through. Boogie Train Diner. We're going to go forward. 1, tap, 2, 3, hitch 4, 5.6, 7, kick 8. Cross 1, side 2, behind 3 and 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, sailor 7 and 8. Cross 1.2, Samba 3 and 4. 5.6, Samba 7 and 8. Your 3 shuffles. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Kick will change 7 and 8. So as I said, it's a 4-wall dance. We do have 1 tag, and it happens at the end of wall 7. Now you'll start wall 7 facing your back wall. So I'm going to do this with you now. Wall 7 facing the back wall. We go 1, tap, 2, 3, hitch 4, 5.6, 7, kick 8. Cross 1, side 2, behind 3 and 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, sailor 7 and 8. The cross pulls. 1.2, Samba step again. 5.6, Samba turn. 3 shuffles, cross shuffle, back shuffle, side shuffle with your kickball change. So that has now completed wall 7, and we have an 8 count tag here. We're going to step forward with the right foot, bringing the left foot into touch, and you click up high. That's count 1, 2. Step back onto your left, bringing your right foot into touch and click low. That's count 3, 4. And we're going to do 2 pivot turns, 1/2, 1/4, which is going to get you back to the back wall. So you're going to step, half turn, step, quarter turn. Your weight is on the left foot, your back facing the back wall, and you start the dance again. So an 8-count tag at the end of wall 7 to bring you back to wall 8, which will be at the back wall again. I'll do that tag with you one more time. We're going to step forward. 1 tap, 2, 3 tap, 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you pick up the dance for 2 more walls there. So that was Boogie Train Diner, choreographed by myself and Michelle Risley. Enjoy.
I am sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner. I am waiting at the counter for the man to pour the coffee, and he fills it only halfway. And before I even argue, he is looking out the window at somebody coming in. Behind the counter to the woman who has come in. She is shaking her umbrella, and I look the other way as they are kissing their hellos, and I'm pretending not to see them, and instead I pour the milk. I open up the paper. It's the story of an actor who had died while he was drinking. It was no one I had heard of, and I'm turning to the horoscope and looking for the funnies when I'm feeling someone watching me, and so I raise my head. There's a woman on the outside looking inside. Does she see me? No, she does not really see me, cause she sees her own reflection. And I'm trying not to notice when she's hitching up her skirt, and while she's straightening her stockings, her hair is gotten wet. Da 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 da. Continue through the morning as I'm listening to the bells of the cathedral. I am thinking of your voice and of the midnight picnic once upon a time before the rain began. I finish up my coffee and it's time to catch the train. Da 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 da.